Hi folks, Dr. Marbali here. Welcome to Body Sculptor Vlogs. Coming back after a long time and that too making this video while traveling, but I was like, okay, I'm waited enough time, so may as well just do it right now. Got some time right now while traveling, so I said, okay, why not? Let's stick to the plan. Now, just to share like what the journey has been and what the past few. I'll try and kind of summarize the past few. You can say months or years as a whole overall, just trying to kind of sum it up. So as we are starting off, I'm trying to kind of be more consistent with this, so sorry for the background horns and whatnots, but yeah, the overall thing that has been there is that there is a obviously, I'm not able to maintain that level of consistency in the fitness and the overall kind of trying to stick to the vision, and that has been a challenge for me probably for the past as long as I can remember. I've never really been able to be at that level of fitness where I wanted, and now it's gone like even many notches higher. But at the same time, I find this the reason I had made this channel, and even something that connects with me is that I want to bring firstly progress for myself in this specific part of life. At the same time, kind of do it as a journey, and maybe bring that value and share it with the people who would be part of the journey as you would be somewhere down the line maybe. So overall, I have had a lot of let's get down straight to the facts. There have been times when there has been good amount of progress for a short period of time. Maybe it could be a week, or it could be a month, or it could be a couple of months, but then the consistency kind of drops. I believe this is probably a challenge with most people on this journey, and I have it's not something, this area is not something that looks like a simple one-stop solution. Okay, this works, this doesn't work. Sometimes some things work, sometimes the other things don't. But the moment you're in a flow and you're getting the right rhythm, then you know what works, and you may not be able to even be very specific that okay, it's because of so and so clarity that you have that it's working. But at the same time, you have to what I'm seeing for my journey is that this is a very high priority to take care of this fitness and health part, and so working on it is something that I value more than pretty much most areas in life. So it takes that kind of basically priority again. But yeah, end of the day, I am right now at this point where okay, I try to make the videos where I find that okay, I'm getting into a rhythm and getting into a level of clarity. But then at the same time, when that rhythm goes away, then I don't want to make further videos, because I don't want to be like causing the opposite of inspiration to someone who is watching this. But at the same time, it's also good to document your errors, so in a way that's there. But then unless and until there is a level of awareness of my error, and I'm just sharing it without that clarity of awareness in what's going on, it kind of feels inauthentic to even share it, if that makes any sense. So I still have to figure out how do I find that balance from that angle. But overall, I intend to kind of be consistent with this sharing here, and at the same time making that level of growth. Right now, just to be quick, one thing that is working for me that I'm doing, there are a lot of things that are working, and then there are some things that don't work. Obviously, challenges are there, but the thing, one thing that stands out right now that comes to my mind is the word I've given it a term called healthy starvation, in the sense that basically you are kind of eating lesser than your requirements, but in a healthy manner, in a balanced diet kind of manner, So that's something, again, starvation is not the right word, frankly. It's more like you can say reduced eating, but starvation is just kind of it's a catchy term. So that's what is working right now. At the end of the day before sleeping, I need to feel that okay, I've felt hungry, at least a certain level, and I kind of grade it also. I should feel moderate, severe, or mild sense of hunger at the end of the day. There should be a little bit of hunger at least, if mild, that range. So depending on how hungry you feel at the end of the day, you see guaranteed you see changes the next day. I've observed that. But it should also be a healthy diet. It should not be like you're starving with not even taking care of your nutrients. So that's something that also I keep in mind. Alright, that's it. I don't want to make this too long. It's already gone beyond the time that I planned. But yeah, sharing this with you. Hope to take this further ahead and make progress down the line. Save soil, liberate self. Like and subscribe. Cheers.